Hello guys, this is Kevin on behalf of Simple Tech Reviewers. Today showing you how to install memory onto a motherboard. For our example today we have a MSI 760GM motherboard paired with a AMD FX 6300 CPU. We'll be using Corsair XMS3 memory sticks. These are the 1333 MHz models. We'll be installing two 4GB sticks for a total of 8 gigs. So the first thing you want to do is make as much room as possible. Here are the memory slots on the motherboard. Right there. The first thing you want to do is unlatch these locks on either side. And you want to line up the longer pins with the motherboard. In this case, the longer pins are on the bottom half of the slot. Take your RAM. It's really simple. Take your RAM and just slide into the slot as so. Apply pressure on either side and you're done. Be sure you're also grounding yourself properly. I'm using a anti-static wristband here. You can get those fairly cheaply from your computer hardware store or off the internet. Got my other stick. Again, line it up. And just apply firm but not too much pressure until it clicks on either side. And that's it. That's how you install memory into a computer. If you like our videos, please remember to subscribe, comment, thumbs up. And this is Kevin on behalf of Simple Tech Reviewers signing out. Thanks for watching, guys.